At Vertiv, our portfolio of critical digital infrastructure solutions and our ability to customize at scale puts us in a unique position to help companies evolve and meet the growing demands of generative AI and high-density compute. That's why when Compass Datacenters needed to evolve their thermal management infrastructure, they turned to Vertiv. Vertiv and Compass engineers collaborated to define a forward-thinking solution that allows for sustained growth, with Vertiv designing and manufacturing the Vertiv Cool Phase Flex. The first of its kind in the data center industry, this innovative package system design combines liquid cooling and refrigerant-based air cooling technologies into a single unit.
Throughout the course of this year, the Compass and Vertiv relationship has really deepened. We've continued to iterate on AI and liquid cooling. One of the big challenges with a lot of the GPU architectures out there is that we still have a combination of other types of loads that are in those data halls. That mix, that advent, that future condition, nobody knows what it's going to look like, and Vertiv's right there alongside us, developing solutions that allow that flexibility for our client base. So Compass and Vertiv have worked over the last year plus on the Vertiv Cool Phase product. This product is a very, very unique product in the marketplace. It allows any one of our units to do either full air or full water cooling. That means we can do direct to chip. This level of flexibility is unparalleled in the marketplace.
As part of the Maintenance Innovation Program, Vertiv has delivered a predictive analytics model that was tuned for Compass's needs and preferences. Vertiv Next Predict is a powerful tool that monitors and predicts equipment health using a health score, enabling early detection of performance decline, minimizing intrusive maintenance risk, and enabling informed lifecycle service planning.
Another great area of collaboration between Compass and Vertiv has been around predictive analytics, with Vertiv helping us to deliver on a predictive analytics model that allows us to only touch the equipment when we need to. Through their Next Predict platform, we view ourselves as being able to manage our truck rolls much better, manage the ability for us to have to go out and touch equipment, but then have a lot better visibility into what's going on within the equipment. This innovative technique has really been a key hallmark of Compass's strategy, and it's been awesome to have Vertiv right there leading the way alongside us.
In an industry where demands on capacity continue to rise at an unprecedented pace, Vertiv's ability to customize quickly and at scale is proving invaluable in preparing companies like Compass Datacenters for the needs of today and tomorrow.
One of our anchors here at Compass is around the concept of mass customization. How can we deliver the things that our clients need without breaking the system? Our whole system is designed for scale, and Vertiv's been right there alongside us. As you think about investing in AI and what is coming out of AI, I really look at Vertiv as a great foundational block. I think that they've got their ears to the ground to know what's coming. They also listen very closely to their customers. And very importantly, for a company of their size and scale, they adapt very well without sacrificing the ability to scale.